Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and working from home today, so on a break at the moment, but it's just too funny. I had not thought about it and the doorbell rang and I think it was FedEx showed up and guess what? I got an Open Gates quilt December box. Didn't even think about the fact that we've been doing all these countdown to Christmas and the 12 days of Quiltmas and all of that going on. Even think about the fact that I still had subscription boxes that might show up. So as always, Open Gate Quilt box and nice little nicely wrapped tissue paper, right, with the Open Gate Quilt box label. And then as soon as I open it, a nice letter from the team, from Monique, saying Open Gate Quilt Box December 2023. It's got a couple of projects, a couple of fun things in here. So I thought maybe it might be better that I go on and open this and do the posting and get all this done and up on the website quickly, because I'm not sure Curtis understands that I'm still getting monthly boxes along with all the Christmas boxes, along with some of the Black Friday sales stuff that is still coming in. So sometimes, since he doesn't watch all the videos, it's better that, I was taught long ago, right? It's easier to ask forgiveness than it is permission. And Lord knows I've not been asking permission. And sometimes it's just better that he just doesn't even notice the volume that sometimes just happens to come through the house. He probably should pay a little bit more attention, but he doesn't always pay attention to the crafting and some of the goodies that we get. So, oh well. So the first project is called Heading North Table Runner. And the Heading North Table Runner goes along with the other accents and stuff that they have sent previously. But let's take a look at this. It includes Andover fabrics, full color pattern, and picture, blah, blah, blah. So this, I will admit, looks like it's going to be a little bit more complicated because it has the triangles, which I think we are supposed to call flying geese. But I do like the pattern. I do think that's going to be a cute table runner. And so I can see gifting several of these next year because Open Gate has just really done a nice job for us. So you've got the blender fabric. You've got what I'm going to call the trim binding, not binding fabric, but the border fabric. And then look at the fabrics that go with this, though. This is very, I'm going to say traditional, kind of more old-fashioned, but look how pretty that fabric is. And then you match it against this red. How awesome is that? Look at that. And those beige tones in that with this gingham green matched up against this red. Oh, and wait till you see the last one. This is almost like a poinsettia, right? How adorable, how beautiful is this table runner going to be? And they gave me exactly what I needed to do, have in order to get this project complete. So again, Open Gate, I don't know, it's just funny. I think you find a group sometimes that you want to quilt with, or they do things that resonate with you, that matches your style and your taste. And I'm really fortunate that I have found that with Open Gate. So this is adorable. This will absolutely be a project that we get completed probably this spring, summer, because I'm done with Christmas for a while as far as projects, and we'll look at that for the summer of 24. Next is the Mini Charm gift bag, and this is actually a little, I'm going to call it a cinch sack. So it is done with Moda Fabrics mini charms. which is kind of cool because, as you know, I just bought a ton of those from another retailer, but I wish it had a bigger picture, but it looks like that is what the mini charm pack does. It did come with a Moda. Oh my gosh, and I think I have this one before. So that did come with what's called Blizzard. I don't think I had this charm pack. So I really, really like this charm pack. I may have to look to see if they have more of those. Look how adorable that is. I love when we do that hand-drawn reindeer in that. So it's got some really cute fabrics in it. It's a Moda, and it's called Blizzard is the name of the charm pack. And then it comes with the other accessories and that do the entire project. So again, won't be doing that anytime soon, but I like the fact that now I have a pattern to do some other things with mini charms, because I did buy quite a few of them because somebody happened to run them on a really deep discount, almost like a clearance price, and me being me, I couldn't help it, and I grabbed a ton of them, and now I have a whole storage container full. So another really cute project from Open Gate Quilts. And let's see what else we have. Keep going, John, because we've got some cool stuff in here. Next one is Notion of the Month is a purse applique light by Carolina Moon. So how nice. It's a purse light. Clip this purse light along the top edge of an interior pocket of your purse to help you easily find things, blah, blah, blah. So I don't carry a purse, but I will guarantee you there is somewhere that I can use this light. So a very unexpected, very nice, welcomed notion for the month of December. Aurifil thread, they always provide a Aurifil thread. This one is dark gray. So, whoops, let's look at something besides the label. So it is a dark gray thread, and it is the 50 weight Aurifil. And the last one is Trade Winds fabric, fat quarter, and it is a true Trade Winds, right? So it's in that beige gray in that, but a very nice fat quarter. So the anchors in that, not sure how I'll use that. My niece works for the Navy and does a lot of stuff, and she enjoys having naval stuff in that. So the anchors and all that definitely ties into something that would make sense for her. So with that said, what an amazing box, right? I got a couple of Christmas projects. I love the little mini charm bag that I could make that's probably much simpler than one of those mini bags. Again, another table runner for Open Gate Quilts. I just continue to be so happy with them. Just their customer service is amazing. Monique is just such a super class act, and I couldn't be happier with her boxes. So with that said, I think once again they continue to knock it out of the park. I can't wait for 2024 to see what projects and what things they bring us, but very happy with where we ended up, how we ended the year with Open Gate. With that said, hey guys, thanks for dropping in. My name is John. You landed in Geistcraft 2. We appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed to us. Our subscribers, the base just continues to build and build. We hope to start doing some lives late December, first of the year. We've talked about it now for about 2 months, and we're just trying to figure out. I think Curtis will sit in the back and kind of facilitate while I try to sew and chat and do things, but we'll see how that works out. But hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, tell your friends, neighbors. But we appreciate each and every one. Hope you're getting your Christmas shopping done and that you're ready for the holidays that are quickly approaching us. But until then, until next time, happy crafting.